The air fryer revolution has transformed the way we cook, offering a healthier alternative to traditional deep frying methods. This Fabuletta 6-quart air fryer stands out in this competitive market, offering impressive features designed to make cooking fast, easy, and delicious. If you're considering adding an air fryer to your kitchen or upgrading your current one, this Fabuletta air fryer could be the versatile, powerful appliance you've been searching for. Here's a deep dive into why the Fabuletta air fryer might just be your new kitchen MVP. Let's start with the aesthetics. The Fabuletta air fryer sports a modern and stylish sage green finish that brings a pop of color to any kitchen. Its compact and narrow design maximizes its 6-quart capacity while minimizing the space it takes up on your countertop. This thoughtful design makes it ideal for those with limited kitchen space, as it fits easily into cabinets when not in use, without compromising on cooking capacity. This air fryer can comfortably serve meals for 3 to 5 people, making it perfect for families or small gatherings. Imagine having a kitchen appliance that's both stylish and efficient. With the Fabuletta 6-quart air fryer, you not only get delicious, healthier meals, but also a chic addition to your kitchen decor. What sets the Fabuletta air fryer apart from the competition is its versatile 11-in-1 functionality. This air fryer isn't just for air frying. It can also handle a range of other cooking methods. With preset functions that include fries, chicken, steak, bake, seafood, bacon, veggies, dehydrate, preheat, and keep warm, this appliance takes the place of multiple kitchen gadgets. Whether you're whipping up a quick batch of crispy fries, baking a batch of cookies, or dehydrating fruits for healthy snacks, this air fryer has you covered. Why clutter your kitchen with multiple appliances when one Fabuletta air fryer can do it all? Save space, time, and effort with its 11-in-1 functionality. One of the standout features of the Fabuletta air fryer is its Max Crisp technology. If you love extra crispy results, this feature will be your new best friend. With the ability to heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, Fabuletta delivers a golden, crispy finish to your air-fried favorites. Whether it's chicken tenders, French fries, or even bacon, you can achieve that satisfying crunch without the excessive oil used in traditional fry. The high heat setting is especially useful during the final 2 minutes of cooking, ensuring your food comes out perfectly crisp every time. Craving that restaurant-quality crunch? With the Fabuletta air fryer's Max Crisp technology, you can achieve the perfect crisp on all your favorites, right at home. One of the primary reasons many people turn to air fryers is the promise of healthier meals without sacrificing taste. Fabuletta air fryer excels in this area, allowing you to cook delicious meals with little to no oil. Whether you're preparing chicken, seafood, veggies, even bacon, this air fryer can help you create healthier versions of your favorite meals. You'll still get all the flavor and texture you love, but with significantly less fat and calories. Healthy cooking doesn't have to be bland. With the Fabuletta air fryer, you can enjoy all your favorite crispy dishes with up to 90% less oil. Even cooking is essential to getting the perfect results from an air fryer. The Fabuletta air fryer includes a convenient shake reminder that notifies you halfway through cooking to shake or flip your food. This LED alarm ensures that your food cooks evenly on all sides, resulting in that perfectly crispy finish we all love. No more guessing when to shake the basket or worrying about unevenly cooked meals. This air fryer does the thinking for you. Don't settle for unevenly cooked food. The Fabuletta air fryer's shake reminder ensures every bite is as deliciously crispy as the last. Fabuletta air fryer is designed for ease of use, with a digital touchscreen display that allows you to customize cooking time and temperature effortlessly. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, simply select one of the 11 preset functions for quick, one-touch meals. The digital interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making this air fryer user-friendly for cooks of all skill levels. When it comes to cleanup, Fabuletta Air Fryer has you covered. The non-stick basket and rack are both dishwasher-safe, so you can enjoy your meals without dreading the cleanup. If you prefer to hand wash, the non-stick coating ensures that food slides off easily, requiring minimal scrubbing. Why spend more time cleaning than cooking? With the Fabuletta Air Fryer, cleanup is a breeze, thanks to its dishwasher-safe design. Whether you're new to air frying or just looking for some inspiration, the Fabuletta Air Fryer comes with 16 original recipes created by professional chefs. These recipes are specifically designed to showcase the versatility of this air fryer, helping you get the most out of its 11-in-1 functionality. From savory snacks to sweet treats, these recipes will have you experimenting with your new air fryer in no time. Running out of meal ideas? Fabuletta Air Fryer comes with 16 chef-created recipes to inspire your next delicious meal. Final thoughts. Is the Fabuletta Air Fryer worth it? Fabuletta 6-quart Air Fryer offers a powerful combination of versatility, style, and convenience. Its compact design, 11-in-1 functionality, and easy-to-use features make it a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're looking to eat healthier, save time in the kitchen, or simply enjoy perfectly crispy meals without the hassle of traditional frying, this air fryer delivers on all fronts. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.